playing. He's playing as well. Was there a excellent damage? He's batless. This time he gets all around the wickets. Boy, the full cross. Yes, mate.
Right, put it away to the longest part of the ground. That is a really well struck ball.
Travel is the worst start for their Christian. 28, 7 off it. And Dhoni might have, in that moment, got himself on the roll. Number 2 could run.
Now he's 27 balls, 23 runs. So
You get with him. You get an enormous 100-odd.
This is something brute force. Down the ground, travelling to 61 metres in ball.
floated, off spinning slower ball.
Shot. Yeah, and that's what's come out of the big game. Well, that's launched. The ball's running out. He's launched himself. The whole body was into that one. Warner's catching him doing it. He's outfielding. Even in the ring. He's a good all-round cricketer. He bowls his leg. He's not going to bowl them too often, maybe later in his career. But his catching has been superb.
He might have Q-ended that way. And there's Dhoni. We'll look at the toe of his bat to see if he's done any damage. There's no warning.
2. He's really maturing. And another wall, the wide, I should say.
Tribute for Matthew Wade tonight too. Played well at one stage there. Thought he could be the first Australian.
Mark away, that's for sure. There is one bounce, and there should be a run out. Oh, right, that a shot to bring about that one. He's given us some fodder. For Dan Christian, has got one in there perfectly. Probably going to hit the Brett, not the bunny thing we saw. It's a bit of a contraption. Has it weighed you down too much?
Just say it again. Sorry, Slaps.
The earpiece you're putting on. What's the, that weighed you down? Safely. Was there an excellent damage? He's batless. And it went flying out the full rifle. And nearly collected it in the middle.
It's difficult to throw you about this far. It's a sign of how much power Dhoni was looking to put into that shot. There was a noise in our effects microphones. So that could have been anything. Matthew Wade didn't hear the edge that brattlee did. But that's wrong.
It's like a hammer throw at the Olympics. After you've twisted around 3 or 4 times, just release.
Actually quite away from full rifle. I thought it was a little closer. Good back well.
There was a convincing edge again just on that last replay we did.
This team gets all around with that. He's put the good year. And the final ball of the over. Final ball of Brattlee spell goes for a 6. It's 6 run 34. Pretty sure.
Right.
Starting to peter out now.
Clock start. And the men have completed their match tonight. It's going to be the Australian victorious in the opening T20 International. First one for a year.